So when I was in Jersey, I visited another dealership and I fell in love with the FTR. Look at this beast right here. Certain one that I want, but look at the price, like $17,000. But I might do it. I feel comfortable on this thing, right? And I don't know, the handlebars just feel like, it feels like I should be riding this bike. They say it's like 500 pounds, but this thing feels good. I don't know, it just feels like the bike's not even thick. It feels like, oh, it could definitely be my next bike. It feels like the 8S, feels like the SB. It feels good though. Oh man, do I look good in this thing, bro? What?
I can see
Good?
it.
You see me
I can
riding
see
this
it.
thing? I'm falling in love with this thing. Carbon R. Oh, Santa, I've been a good boy. I want one. Huh? Which one?
Nah,
What you like? You like that?
yeah.
Get your driver's license first. And then you go buy a motorcycle one day. See me riding this right here? Look at that thing. Look at the color. I'm not there yet, but I think they're cool looking. This is what I'm gonna get you.
Oh.
Not even this, forget that. I'm gonna get you this right here. This is what you get. Because you don't got no drive. That's your Christmas gift. I'm gonna get you that. I wouldn't even get you this. This is too cool for you right here. I'll get one of these for me, but I'm gonna get that little blue one over there for you. Come on, let me see how you look at it and shit. Why don't you get on it? Come on, get on it, bro.
It's a T-Rex.
Yeah, I would ride a slingshot. Why not? But you could tell he's real young. He sees the BMW. Everybody goes crazy for these BMWs. I don't know if I could ever go back to that sport bike feel. I don't know. Maybe one day. Plus, they're like $24,000.
It's a cool little thing.
You want to ride this thing? I think it's electric. Was $9,069. Now only $9,069. I ride anything. For the right price, I'll ride anything. I like all these type of bikes, but I'm too short for all that stuff. And I know short rides gonna be like, I ride it, I'm only 5'5". I don't want to hang off the bike. That's just me. I'm lazy. V4R, 45,000. They're nice. The maintenance is expensive. You gotta be somebody that likes to go to the track, race. That's what that's for. To ride it around locally makes no sense to me, personally. You know what I mean? If that's you, then that's cool. I'm not pocket checking you. You want to buy a $45,000 motorcycle to ride it around locally? Go for it. They're $47.77. Try to get one of these, they're like $8,000 out the door. It's like, dude, they were $4,700. Add a couple $100, let me take it. See what Honda stuff they got over here. Now only $16,999. Huh.
Only.
Yeah, only. You are 1,000 double R, $17,299. These are $1,800, right? You add, you know, a couple fees. So if you can get with taxes and everything like at $2,300, you're good. But try to price it out and they end up being like $5 grand. It's just not worth it. You gotta find a dealership you want to deal with that is not gonna try to rip you off. That's the truth. They got a beautiful showroom. They got a beautiful inventory. Just got ugly fees. My first two motorcycles were Kawasaki, so I'm a big Kawasaki fan. The T-Rex has a Kawasaki engine. We want to add a Kawasaki at some point. It's a 2024 GSX 8S for $8,999. Try to see if I could get an outdoor price by email. Pay $9,100 for that bike out the door at the beginning of the year in March. Look at this thing, bro. The Raptor 700 Special Edition. Tell me that's not a bad bike.
Go ripping in that.
Yamaha 450. The 700 R. Daytona 660. Look at this beast right here. Look at this beast. It's crazy. I know we live in Florida and people say it's not cold, but it's 56 degrees. And then you just get out on a bike or on the T-Rex with no jacket or anything, it's gonna get cold. So we just got a couple of hot chocolates. Bike night is bike night. They're pretty much the same everywhere you go. You just see different people, different bikes. Here we're at the dealership. We got to go see some motorcycles. That's pretty much it.
My hands are warm, don't grab yours.
Yeah, 56 degrees. What are you gonna do when we move up north?
Stay my ass inside.
Why so serious? Things got carbon all over the place. Carbon, see?
You burnt
That
your
shit's
tongue?
hot. But you taste that great either.
You know?
I like that whole big fairing thing. I like this bike. Look how sexy this thing is, bro. I can picture myself cruising down the highway. That's one cool looking Honda right there. That's a nice Ducati right there. I like that yellow frame. She's over here practicing for the slow race. I guess it's about to start. Strike line. He's a cheater. Don't lose it. Them boys know how to make an entrance. It's not that cold, bro.
You were just.
You live in Florida,
This
bro.
whole time
Relax.
you were just saying.
You live in Florida. It's not that cold. I didn't say it's so cold.
Yes,
I said it's
you were.
colder than usual. But
And
I
then
didn't think it was
now
that
that
cold.
I'm saying it's cold, now it's a problem.
Not that cold. We're gonna head out. Bike night is over for me. It's a little chilly out. Hope you guys enjoy it. Leave some comments down below. Make sure you hit that like button. And don't forget to subscribe. Get in, bro.
Goddamn right. I'm ready to go to bed. We out this bitch.
It's fucking cold, bro.
It's freezing.